A traineeship to me was an easy decision as I knew what I wanted to do, so I could use it as a way to fast track my career. Plus it meant I got to leave school as an assistant in nursing, and who doesn't love having time off school while still getting an ATAR?
I chose to do a traineeship because I was previously doing a university degree and I didn't really find it to suit what I was expecting or my lifestyle, and I wanted to start working as soon as possible. So I found a traineeship to be a great way to get paid, study, earn a qualification and work, all while fast tracking my career.
It's carpentry because I used to be a plumber, and every day going to work I used to watch the carpenters on site and loved what they were doing, loved the idea of it. So I looked into it, did some work experience with some carpenters and went down that career path and pursued it.
I chose to do a traineeship because I thought it'd be a better opportunity for me to gain experience while gaining a qualification at the same time.
Well, from a very young age, I knew I always wanted to be a chef, and growing up, I learned that an apprenticeship was the best way to do that and enhance my skills.
Learning new things, being around people that are very experienced and teaching me, and where I work.
Is the variety of work we do. As we do renovations and extensions on houses, I get to learn a lot more, and I just think that it's going to be better off for me in the long run. So hopefully once I finish my apprenticeship, I can go out and work for myself or offer my skills more to someone who needs it.
What I enjoyed most about my traineeship was the fact that we're given the opportunity to apply theory knowledge into practical. What that means is that, so we do all the theory stuff in class, and then we have the opportunity to visit a nursing home to put all the theory knowledge into practice by engaging with the residents and doing activities with them.
Being able to get paid while studying at the same time, and also gaining that experience on the job.
I really enjoyed actually being in the workplace, being able to work with people of all different experience levels. I worked with new grads and I worked with people who are considering retirement in the next couple of years. And just being supported throughout the whole process at TAFE, at school, in the workplace, everywhere. They're there to help you. It was a great experience.
Through an apprenticeship, you do something different each and every day, and with the help of TAFE, you get to enhance those new skills that you have, plus the old skills, which is really, really great and enjoyable.
I was taught my skills, so learning, making some mistakes, learning from your mistakes, and yeah, that's basically about it.
Figured out through studying business studies in high school that made me realise that I wanted to get into an office environment for my future.
During school, I took a certificate 2 in hospitality, and I absolutely loved every minute of it. Part of that course was to do a work placement week, and there I worked at the Crown Plaza, Hawkesbury Valley. From there, I learned so many incredible new skills, which I will always keep with me. And luckily enough for myself, I was offered an apprenticeship there, which has been the best thing that I have done in the last 2 years. It has taught me so many new skills and really enhanced my old ones, and I couldn't have imagined working in a better place.
My way of learning about what skills I was good at was just turning up to work every day, sort of giving everything a go, learning what I was good at, what I could do straight away, what I understood. Every day I go in, I learn a little bit more, I get better at everything, and yeah.
I figured out what I was good at by talking to teachers and telling them my future goals and what I wanted to achieve. So talking to my teachers and those, and also during my traineeship in class, during different activities that we were doing, I figured out what I was good at, and yeah.
Only a few years before actually applying for the traineeship, I joined my local surf life saving club. There, when we covered the first aid content and the other health related content, I really engaged with it, had a real genuine interest in it, and there I learnt that this is what I was good at, this is what I could see myself doing for the rest of my life.
Some of the tasks to do, but you will learn and you get taught, so it's good.
The most challenging part about my apprenticeship can be the long hours and really different changing shifts. Sometimes it can be a bit of a pain or a bit annoying, but because of this I've become a very good, diligent and hardworking apprentice chef.
At the start of the traineeship, the most challenging part was finding that balance between study and work. Aside from that, everything was pretty smooth.
What's me about the future is having a future where people do not have the skills required for their field at an early stage. Knowing that we have opportunities now like apprenticeship, traineeship that can help them gain skills at an early stage. So imagine having a future where people don't have these skills when we had all these opportunities.
The current situation we're in at the moment as a country, worldwide, possibly losing my job, but other than that, nothing else really worries me about my future.
My biggest worry for the future would be that I'm going to rush really fast into everything. I'm just going to be work, study, and I'm not going to take the opportunities to hang with my friends, travel overseas, to do all the fun stuff and make memories for myself to look back on in the future.
And lastly, I think my skills are going to help me later in my career, as I've got a wide variety of skills. So hopefully that when I go to a different employer once I finish my apprenticeship, that I can offer all of these different skills instead of just one set of skills, and knowing a bit more about the trade.
The skills that I learned during my traineeship were very transferable in different fields. So I was able to apply the skills at my workplace, at the nursing home. I was able to apply the skills at uni. I'm doing a Bachelor of Nursing, so all the skills that I learned during my set 3 were just I just kept on transferring them on and on. And even at my new job as a nursing assistant, so you can see how important or how helpful traineeship is, or it has been for me. So giving me the opportunity to learn these skills at an early stage, and just knowing that I'll always apply them, regardless of what field I go in, I'll always apply these skills.
I still want to continue working in digital marketing, so pretty much everything I've learned is going to be beneficial in any future role, even from not digital marketing skills such as just writing an email or how to act in a professional work environment. They're all skills that I've learned in this role that are going to follow me throughout the rest of my career.